Lecture we will learn just how to import an image or a PSD. Okay, so you can just click on the file, open, and open any image. It's like this one. Okay, so it's been loaded, and you can see the menu function is not enabled, just like this one, the blend mode. And if you're doing the clone, then you can't do the much more things. Okay, so basically you can see here you can't use any of this function because this layer is locked. So to unlock, just double click, give it any name. Okay, so now this layer is unlocked, and you can uh, just work with all these options. And if you want to again lock it, then this is the lock. You can use this one to unlock this one. Okay, so this is the first method to import. And the second one, if you want to import, just like this one, the drops, here you have a image. Okay, so what you have to do, just drag and drop it to the here, and it will come into the new it's like it's as a new layer. Okay, and same if you want to insert this onto this, then you can just drag and drop onto this one. Now this one layer, you can see you can adjust height and width, and just when you click on this tick, then you can work on this layer also, but it will load it as a smart object. When you double click here, you can see it's a smart object. Okay, and I will show you the how the smart object will work in the next videos. Okay, and for this you have to make it a layer. Just right click and rasterize it. Now you have two layers, the one on each other. You can just drag and drop it, and you can just choose the okay. And the one thing, if you have a image of the same size, okay, so you have to just put it just like this. Okay, when you want to import it, when I okay, so I just import it into the another layer, and these two are of the same size, and I can just drag and drop it to the here. You see, it just dropped the random. Okay, and when you want to cover the same exact area, then you can just drag and drop it with the hold down of shift key. Okay, so it will come just exact on the below image, below image. Okay, if the both images are on the same size, then it will cover the same size and area. See, so when you drop it, then just must press the shift key, hold down your shift key, and just drop it, so it will just come onto the same exact area. So these are the methods that you can use to draw or drag and drop or to import the images. And if you want to import the PSD or open a PSD, then it's just like this simple. You have to do nothing, just click on the PSD. Okay, so it will automatically load into the Photoshop. Alright, so you see it's just automatically loaded. And the other thing, you can just do it the open as. Okay, and open as is you work for the PSD files. So you have to find the PSD file first, just like this is my PSD file. You can just drag and drop it using the open as also. So these are the methods that we use to in the open as. And this one, just like I'll just okay delete this one, or okay, so I just removed all the layers in my Photoshop, and this one too. Now if you want to open the recent one, then just go to the file, open recent, the short purple, and it will load the recent files that you just opened. So these are the methods that you can use to open a file into the Photoshop.